let me introduce to you the next performer for today's Day 2 of Waifu Fest 2025. Get ready because they are about to set the stage on fire. A sweet and fiery rising duo from Cospam PH. They're here to bring the sparkle, energy, and joy of cosplay, K-pop, J-pop, and P-pop straight to your hearts. Please welcome on stage, Heart Licks.
Welcome. Once again, we have Yanchi and Mire.
Hello! Ay, oh my God.
Yes. Heartlit!
Yeah,
Oh, naku,
tama na.
Heartlit. Ang ganda ng costume today,
Ay,
ah.
thank you
Sige,
po.
sige.
First of all, we just want to inform us na thank you po sa lahat ng nandito. Iilan na lang yung natira. Pero we do it on a purpose, hindi para lang sa mga nandito. Naka-live din tayo. We're doing this for the people na nanonood sa live, di ba? So, we prepared 4 songs for today, which is themed K-pop kasi bukas pa yung J-pop namin. So, let's start!
Ang taas ng energy ni,
Wait lang po yung kanta, di pa ready.
energy, yung music.
Hindi pa nagsisimula, umiinit na agad. Ayan, mukhang ready na sila.
Hello po, ito na take 2. Ano
Take
lang?
2, take 2.
Error lang po sa sounds.
Check my look. 걸으면 like a dance. 좀 더 강하게 choose 빨간 shoes. Yeah. No questions what I look. Well, this is what I do. 뚜벅뚜벅 너에게 다가간다. It's 주문을 외워 right now. 말해주면 네 맘을 I don't even know. I don't even know. 주문을 걸어. 있어버려 shoot. Butterfly처럼 네 맘을 boom. 원하는 건 싫어 see what I can do. 네 앞에 서서 내 마음을 woo. So what you do? 터뜨려가고 이제 말해봐 네 마음을 애매한 맘을 정리해봐 you. Sorry 변하지 않아 I'm not fool. That's what I do. Look at my eyes. Yeah yeah. 들려 너의 심장군. Boy you gotta move. Like a dream 너와 나 pretty cool. 누가 봐도 단 하나의 길밖에 없는 걸. 결국 네가 갈 길은 여기 하나뿐인 걸. 빨리 와 아님 그냥 지나가던가. Don't be silly babe. Do not break my heart. 있어버려 shoot. Butterfly처럼 네 맘을 boom. 원하는 건 싫어 see what I can do. 네 앞에 서서 내 마음을 woo. So what you do? 터뜨려가고 이제 말해봐 네 마음을 애매한 맘을 정리해봐 you. Sorry 변하지 않아 I'm not fool. That's what I do. That's what I do. La 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 la. La 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 la. Yeah. La 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 la. That's what I do. I know that's like a fool, yeah, but that's what I do. This is for all my ladies who don't get hyped enough. If you've been done wrong, then this your song, so turn it up. I wanna go with the baddest girls are from. Might be another planet, maybe that's what Mother Nature made me. Something about that water tastes like fun. Yeah. I got second ring, confetti, sweet on your tongue. Baby, I'm a switch, so let's go. Don't let that baby have you feeling low when you grow. You already know when it's your turn it up. One time for all my ladies, you're looking good as what? So tell them bye bye, 'cause it's your time to turn it up. This for the girls with the light inside. They spin around you like satellite. Yeah, you the baddest all day and night. I give you flowers city and no time. This your mama, go get it. Forget that boy, don't sweat it. I'll always be right to dance. I said the door, so let's go. Don't let that have you feeling low when you're grown. You get the you already know when it shows. Tonight is you and me. We should be. This is for all my ladies, so don't get hurt tonight. If you've been done wrong, then it's your song, so turn it up. No time for all my ladies, you're looking good as what? So tell them bye bye, 'cause it's your time to turn it up. Ladies now, let's get down. Come on, get your hip into it. Ladies now, let's get down. Come on, get your hip into it. Ladies now, let's get down. Come on, get your hip into it. Ladies now, let's get down. Come on, dip your hip into it. 심장은 울랄라 두근대 이 순간 Je ne sais avec toi I do 도착한 카니발 핑크빛 설레임 So curious, so fabulous Like a roller coaster 깜짝할 듯 내온 고양이 같아 모든 것이 맘은 rush 천천 안에 뱉지마 지릿지릿한 sunshine My heart starts to dance Do a little dance Do a little dance Do you wanna dance 대답은 하나뿐 Say yeah yes Dance 손을 잡은 채 Do it 너와 나의 date 넘어대 걸리게 Say yeah 따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따따 내가 네 맘속 그 아이 덜 번쩍 세워 feel you And more 알듯 말듯 I'm more So curious 난 불안했어 Like a
round of applause to Heartlit. Grabe, tuloy-tuloy yung energy. 4 songs straight, and yet they give the same power, of course, in their performances. Sige,
Wait po,
can we
hihinga.
give them their drinks first from our sponsors?
Thank you po. Wait lang. Ay,
Don't
thank
you just
Kuya
love their
Dagdag.
outfit? Talagang pinaghandaan nila.
Thank you po. Wait
Mga
lang, ano lang?
binibini.
5 inhales, exhales. Ay, thank you po. Oh my God.
So while they are,
Yan, inom muna kayo. Baka
Eto, pantak.
hinihingal kayo eh. Pinapawisan din kayo. So, drink first.
so reintroducing this powerful duo, we have Mirren, the ace of the group. Ayan, a dazzling idol performer, cosplayer, a charismatic streamer, and a lively gamer. So she has lit up countless cosplay, meet and greets, hobby, gaming events, and even marketing campaigns. At talaga namang nakita natin that she is a force fun of talent. Meanwhile, the leader, si Yangchi. Sige, sir, kindly read also.
Wala sa akin yung script.
Okay, the fearless leader. She's not just a cosplayer. Don't tell me, ikaw ang gumawa nito.
Ay, hindi po. Improvise cosplay ko po ito. Kay Nisa Ama neto.
Ah,
Ito
kasi-
gawa ko.
yeah, wow. Kasi
Pero,
she's a seamstress.
Yeah. Thank you po.
Okay,
Nakakita na.
so makikita naman natin sa get-up ni Yang, she's really a fashion enthusiast and a multi-awarded cosplay competitor since
2017.
2017.
Ano-ano yung mga cosplay competitions na sinalihan mo?
Pre-pandemic, ang mga panalunan ko po is mostly Best Movie Cosplay noong 2017, tapos Best Ever Wing Cosplay, tapos nung Otaku Musika Fest, Originality Award, tapos I forgot yung isa, basta nag-cosplay ako doon ayun, group cosplay competition po yun. Tapos nag-ano po ako, hiatus. So, kababalik ko lang po this year. Sorry, medyo pawis-pawis ako Kapagod eh. Pagkababalik ko lang po this year and I already won around 5 ata this year, which is nung Valorant, event ng Valorant, tapos madami po talaga. Basta naka-5 po ako this year
So,
pa
ang
lang.
dami na talaga
Yeah.
nilang
And
achievement.
nasabi mo kanina na gamer sila parehas. Ano
Yes.
yung ano yung mobile game or
Pwede
PC
po
game?
mag-disclose?
Pwede namang i-disclose yung game itself, pwede namang i-disclose.
Yeah,
yun.
mostly po ML, HOK,
Oo.
Genshin, yan po mostly.
Competitive player ba kayo? Are you playing on a competition din as a gamer? Or more on the streaming side lang talaga kayo?
Si May rin alam ko.
Sige.
Chill gaming lang po. Enjoy lang, ganyan. Pero if ever na kasama namin mga kaibigan namin,
Yes.
mga friends, ganyan. Ayun, nagko-compete kami. Siyempre,
Oh.
kailangan namin manalo.
Oo, iba din, di ba? Iba din yung nagko-compete kayo di ba?
Yeah.
May sense of achievement din kayo na nafe-feel.
Shall we expect you tomorrow again?
Yes po, may show
Okay,
ako
so
tomorrow.
siguro, kung ito, kahapon greatest
Thank you po.
performance na yan
Yes.
bukas.
We'll do our best tomorrow. More
So-
cardio maybe.
Everyone, why don't we give another big round of applause to
Thank you po.
Heartlit?
Thank you po.
Maraming salamat.
Thank
Thank you
you
po.
so
Okay.
much.